To all employers, my name is Ellen Amante, 36 years old, single with 3 kids, ages 12, 10, and 6. I am a graduate of 2 years course computer programming. I have an experience as a domestic helper here in Malaysia and 3 years. I serve of 2 family members, both adult. My duties are gardening, car wash, cooking, ironing, laundry, marketing, and household chores. And also, I have an experience as a nanny in the Philippines. I'll take care of 1-year-old girl and 4-year-old boy. For 1-year-old girl, my duties are changing diaper, bathing, and feeding. For 4 years old, my duties are preparing her nutritious meals, sending to school, pick up to schools, and assisting her homework. Madam and Sir, I am a trustworthy, hardworking woman, reliable, and most of all, hardworking woman and flexible. And also your kids as I treat my own child. Sir, I'm willing to learn to cook a Chinese foods in YouTube. To all employers and to my future employers, see you soon.